everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. I am really excited to announce that I finally got my nails done. We got them done yesterday and I absolutely love how they look. They are just little colorful French tips with daisies on them, and I think they turned out so cute. I did get a cut while the nail tech was filing my nail, and it literally was like bleeding all over the place. It was but not good, but the nails turned out cute. So I'm really excited about that. You guys will not be seeing ugly nails anymore. Literally, I think in the last video I was like missing a whole nail. It was not good. So today I'm really excited because we have a brand new kit format. So I worked on this kit format with you guys over on our Insta story this past week, and this is what I came up with all of your suggestions. So thank you to everyone who submitted input. It was super helpful, and I'm really excited to share with you what the final kit looks like. I also did a really small reformat to our B6 Essentials kit, which is just 2 pages, so I'll show that later in the video. I'll try to do some timestamps, that way if you want to fast forward to that part, you can totally do so. So we have 3 new weekly kits coming to the shop this week. 2 of them are actually reformats, and then this one right here, Dream Big, is a new one to the shop, but we also have a Pride kit as well as a Father's Day kit. So perfect for the June holidays. We are offering 20% off of these new kits, so if you want to grab them, I highly suggest getting them this weekend. So let's just go ahead and get started with the reformat. So this is what page 1 looks like. You still have your 9 full boxes, and then down here I added a row of quarter boxes, and you'll see why I did that when we get to the boxes page. But the overall response was really positive on the changes that were made in the kit. Here's just a little close-up of the full boxes. This is in rose gold foiling. I'm recording this at night currently, so the lighting might not be the best. I feel like it's kind of showing up a little bit more gold-ish on camera, but it is rose gold, and the quote box says work hard, dream big. And then we have a little big plans planner here. So cute. Love the florals. The colors in this kit are super soft and pastel. So next we have our headers, which are still the exact same. You guys did request for a variety of foil overlays for the headers. I know I've been doing confetti quite a bit. We used to do confetti in the lines and then confetti, but someone actually requested a floral one, which I thought was a good idea. So I know not all of our kits have floral in them. So in the cases that where we have a kit that doesn't have, you know, floral, I think I'm gonna probably just replace it with confetti. But since a lot of our kits do feature floral, I will happily put floral headers as one of them. So then we have kind of a random half box right here, but again, it'll make sense once we get to the boxes page. And then you guys voted to bring back the thin and thick washi, so that is what I did, and that actually freed up some space here on this sheet, so I was able to squeeze in some scalloped headers. These, I actually dug up a file from like 2020, and it was like from a really old $2 Tuesday, and we had done like scallop headers for that one $2 Tuesday, so I'm glad that file was still there because I did not have to design anything new for that. So that is the washi and headers page. And then moving on to the boxes page. This page definitely has a lot of changes. So let's just start with the bottom. We still have our 3 scalloped half boxes. And then I did remove a row of half boxes. So I didn't want to get rid of, you know, too many, which is why I added one back right here on the headers page. So we have 4 half boxes, and then we still have 2 rows of 1/3 boxes. And then these are actually, it's a little bit hard to see, but these are not your typical rectangle corners. So we have some different size boxes. This one's like an arch. Again, it's really hard to see. Maybe that's a little bit better. So as you can see, it's like an arch. So we have some different shapes. This one is another one of those like fancy corners, like so. So that row is like fancy 1/3 boxes, and then this row is just regular rectangles. Then we have a row of quarter boxes, and we used to have 2 rows, but the row actually got moved to the full boxes page, so don't worry, we still have plenty of quarter boxes. And then because I got rid of the half boxes, we had some room up here. So we have some of these mid-size boxes. These were super highly requested, so we have some that are just plain rectangular shaped, and then also some fun shaped ones. Super cute. And then we still have our little square boxes. They all look like squares, but I promise these also have like the fun and fancy corners to them. So not all of them are squared out. They kind of just look like it because of the background coloring. And then for the very top row, we have some more mid-size boxes, but these are, of course, as you can see, fancy shapes. So that is the new boxes page. So definitely a lot of changes with this sheet. And then moving on to the very last sheet, this one again also has a lot of changes to it. So first up, the font change. So I wanted to refresh the font a little bit. So we do have new date covers, same with the sidebar stickers. We have a new font in the house, so gorgeous. And then up here, as you can see, is different. We moved the checklist down here, and I got rid of a bunch since that was, again, requested. And then I replaced it with some watercolor swatches. These are cut out, so that is what the edges look like. We also decreased the amount of layering stickers. You still get quite a bit, and you also have some flags here. And then right here, we just have a random 1/3 box. And then at the very bottom, this is brand new, we have some really gorgeous little scalloped circles. And the response was pretty positive on these, so I'm excited about these. They do have a little bit of different foils on each one. That is the new functional page, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So again, let me know your thoughts. I'm really excited for this new format. And yeah, that was also the Dream Big kit. So now let's go ahead and move on to the other 2. Okay, so next up we have our Pride kit, and this is fresh off the press, which is why it's very curly. I literally just finished foiling these. But this is in silver hollow foil. It's a little bit hard to see. The hollow is not really coming through, so that's why it kind of just looks like silver, but it does look really pretty in person. And this kit is just super fun and colorful. We got lots of florals in this kit. This is a revamp from last year's Pride kit, so I decided to go with a little bit lighter colors this time around. Since it was super bright last year, I wanted to do a little bit of a lighter rainbow color palette. So here is the bottom washi and the headers. Here is the boxes page. I absolutely love all of the watercolors. Everything is just super colorful, but not overly bright. You can really see the hollow down here. And I love these mid-size boxes. I think they look so cute. I can't wait to see you guys use these kits in your planners. And then last but not least, we have our functional page. And again, I'm just totally obsessed with these little scallop circles. They are so cute. So that is our Pride kit. We do have Pride foils coming out next week. It is coming next Tuesday for $2 Tuesday. We have a whole Pride foil collection. We're also releasing some graduation foils as well at the same time, so just a little heads up. And then last but not least, we just came out with a Mother's Day kit, so we had to do a Father's Day kit. Can't forget about them. So this is a reformat from last year's Father's Day kit, and we decided to go with silver foil since it matches with the blue really nicely. So we did add a whole bunch of florals to this kit. Here's the headers page and then the bottom washi. I love this blue floral washi, it's so pretty. And then we have our boxes page. And then last but not least, we have our functional page. So that is Father's Day. Amazing. Okay, so now let me press these down so that they'll be flat when I take the product photos, but now let's move into the B6 flip through. So there wasn't too many changes to the B6 kit just because there's only 2 pages and you know, you can only do so much with it. On the first page, it looks pretty much the same as before. The only difference is I switched out the labels for these quarter boxes. Just wanted to do something different. And then here on the second page, very minimal changes. So I added in 2 mid-size boxes since, again, everyone was wanting mid-size boxes. So I decided to also put some into the essentials kit. And then in order to do that, I did have to decrease the amount of checklists. So there's now only 4 versus 7. And then we have our new font put in. So that is amazing. And then everything else is still pretty much the same. So still have your foiled headers over here, all the same functional boxes, and then the bottom washi is still the same. So that is the new B6 kit format, and that is also what it looks like in the Father's Day kit. So then very quickly, because I know this video is already super long, I wanted to share with you the B6 in Dream Big. We always get questions asking if the full boxes are the same size as our regular size full box in the kits, and they are a little bit shorter. So in case you were wondering, they are a little bit smaller, but they are still 1.5 inches wide. So that is the first page, and then here is the second page. Okay, and then last but not least, we have our Pride Essentials kit. I love these new quarter boxes. I just think they look super simple. Then here is this page. I love how the rainbow just fits perfectly on these date covers. And that is all that we have for this week. Actually, wait, I do have one more thing to share with you. I have our deco sheets over here in the corner. So we have deco available for all 3 kits this week. Super exciting. So first up is Father's Day. We have lots of florals, a lot of similar clip art items from the kit. And yeah, so that is Father's Day. Then we have the Dream Big deco. This latte looks delicious. Lots of florals in here, planner accessories. We love that. And then last but not least, we have our Pride deco sheet, which this is so cute. I absolutely love all of the little flags. And that is everything. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know which kit was your favorite out of the 3. But I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I'm going to be out of town. I'm going to Coachella, so I hope you guys Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week for our Tuesday. Bye!